But do you see this AK I'm using? It is like literally the worst looking thing ever.
Investigate the site. Contain the
It
threat.
just kind of looks like a normal. It kind of looks like an RPK. Why is it so long? Ooh, nuke.
Am I right in saying this place was some sort
Points.
of secret
I had to put on a 50 round
project?
mag, which normally I'd never do.
Only 250 for ammo. Okay, so we'll definitely have.
Don't
that
open the
for
door.
ammo.
Countering can be traced back here.
Yes,
Find a way in,
William.
team.
I also took off the scope because I realized we weren't going to need it because, you know, about 5 meters.
Okay, so the crafting table still works. I wasn't sure if you needed power for that. If you did, that would be so stupid. But
Oh yeah, have we said what we're doing?
I think so. If I haven't, then we're doing a starting room challenge, seeing how long we're gonna last. Never actually done this in this game, so.
Yep, and I made it.
But honestly, I don't know how hard it's gonna be because this is where I train normally, just in D Machine, so.
Yeah, but normally you have guns that deal damage.
And perks. Yeah, I know. So it's basically just the disabled challenge.
Well, thank God that we can't use the fucking megatons don't spawn, or else we'd be getting one shot without Jug.
Oh yeah. Definitely takes a weight off our shoulders. And we can get level 1 armor. Off the ground. Off the drop, hopefully. We can get self-reses. And if it gets to the point where our guns do no damage, I guess we could rely on like combat bows and stuff. Because that's in the starting room.
Yeah,
Crafting
War
table.
Machine should work up until round like 30 something, so.
Oh, I've used the War Machine. It shits out at around like round 45-ish. Like it's pretty decent until then.
Yeah, so we should be able to do pretty well. I don't know if I have any scrap increasing attachments. Should have had it, but
That's alright. Will we have dogs since the dog round starts?
no, we won't have dogs.
That's just
We
to
won't
feel like
have
a
dog
system.
rounds, but we might have dogs.
It'll be just like regular bare bones zombies if it's only them, like no bosses. I'm kind of excited to see how this is gonna go. Round 4, this thing's doing pretty good.
Oh, I've never actually looked over at the bunker here. Never realized what it looked like.
Yeah, there's like trees or like
Boots.
yeah, just branches in there. I don't know how power just gets rid of those. Is it just
Probably
electric-
just opens the door, and then the door is strong enough it can just get rid of all of them.
Well, I guess it's just like foliage. I thought you could see.
Max ammo.
like, the facilities. Okay. They take. I'm still at 200 in the stock, so.
Whoa, that was some lag. It's so laggy, headshots aren't functioning properly. Whoa! Holy shit! I'm not functioning properly. Why is my health so low?
I don't know. I should have really taken off this reticle. I put on a random reticle and this thing is very bad. It's just like a skull. You can't actually see where you're
Oh, yeah.
properly aiming.
So. God, my hands are cold.
Ammo before we get a kill. If we actually make it that far. Doubt it.
Wow, that Semtex did more damage to me than it did to the zombie I threw it at.
I wonder what happens if we like do the radio exfil thing in here and none of the doors are open.
We
Does
have
the
to
power
run.
have to be on for exfil?
Maybe? I think so, but I have no fucking idea. We'll find out soon.
Stairs. Alright.
Why did everything die so quick? Oh. That was a 2 times not a
Decoy.
bonus point. Whatever. it really doesn't matter. I didn't collect that.
Huh.
I don't know what I did, but I managed to make the fucking moving while ADS speed so fucking low on this gun. And I have no idea how.
Alright. We just got full stems, because that's probably going to be the most useful thing.
Well, I have a monkey bomb currently, so I'll probably just wait until I use that, then buy stems.
Right.
Oh my god, that's...
Actually, I don't think I've actually gotten a monkey bomb out of the crafting table. I didn't know it was 1k.
Yeah, you have in the past, I remember, because you were upset about it being 1k.
I've never gotten it from there.
I'm just gonna throw this.
Primate prime to explode. Now rest in peace. I never waste ammunition.
I got an extermination off that. Max stems. Oh! 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 What the fucking shit?
There's an insta-kill. Huge.
Gun him down!
This is where your gun shines. You just have that full spray.
Yeah, there's no more zombies left.
Zombie down.
Well, now there's less. I think tomahawks always one-shot normal zombies. I think that's a thing.
Useful.
Unidentified life form nearby.
Nope! Megatons come!
Bloody hell. Atomic readings are off the charts.
Well,
We were wrong. We were very, very wrong.
That's an issue. I don't like that. I don't like that at all. Oh, I very much don't like that.
This might be an issue. Uh-oh, this is a really big issue.
No, my gun's barely doing any damage to the zombies. I don't know how we're taking that out. Tomahawks? Do you have them?
I have one.
I have 4. Okay. Just unload. I hit him twice. Decent damage. Very decent damage. Just don't want to get one tapped by this fucker.
Fuck, a zombie just ran in front of me as I threw it at the Megaton.
Alright, I've run. I hit him 4 times. I don't know how I'm gonna get them back though.
Just grab him. I don't know.
Oh!
Well, I've got the majority of the horde on me, I think.
Look at this guy. I've thrown 5 at him.
Well, just don't come near me because you will die. Essentially.
They will die near me.
Uh-oh. Logan, you've killed me.
Stop throwing shit.
Get away from me. Logan, stop training around me! Alright, I've killed all the zombies on my end. I'm not even ADSing.
Help me out with the big guy.
I grab your 10 marks.
It seems the creature has the ability
Yeah, I
to
picked up
split
1.
in half.
Did they all disappear?
Yeah.
No, they despawned.
They despawned.
And
Run!
there it was. If a worm had legs.
Good damage, good damage.
Here, I'll even take a megaton bomb with you.
Oh, why thank you.
What?
He'll still very much be shooting at me.
No, he's not. He's in my horde. I've got him surrounded.
Okay.
He's definitely not shooting at you, Logan. Just don't come near me and he won't aggro to you.
No! I had the ether shot.
Uh-oh!
Sorry.
Oh god!
I was dead. I was dead.
Now I am. Hold on, Molotov.
I probably should have gotten my tomahawk during that time. I actually don't see my gun doing any damage to the bomber.
Oh, mine isn't either.
What the fuck is inside of a pack-a-punch machine? I just want to know. Oh, I got close enough. Okay, I picked up my tomahawk. I did it again. Yes, it's working. It's working.
We got
I
it.
picked it up twice and I got a shit ton of damage. Okay.
No, it's not. Uh-oh. Well, I just glitched through a zombie, so that was fun. What are you doing? Why are you getting so close to me?
Because I can't go that way. They were in every direction. You got the open side, keep in mind.
Fine, you want me to go over there?
Sure.
Alright. Get ready to swap.
Good. Yep, I'm bringing my horde over here.
Alright, swap.
Okay, my horde's around here. I'm just gonna keep on going around the tank until you...
Okay, my horde's almost gone.
Okay.
Alright, go over on the other side.
Oh, yours branched off into mine. I went too close.
Why? Zombies, so it's like... Uh-oh. Logan? Uh-oh, I just traded 5 stims for 1 stim.
Just using tomahawks.
What's nice about tomahawks is they can hit like 5 people.
Next exfil window is up.
Probably just missed it.
Logan, tomahawk, catch.
On queue on round 16.
I got an extra one.
Thank you. I have full. I've been picking mine back up.
Same. Oh, Logan, get on your side! Great, now I'm almost dead. Oh god, I'm glitching really badly. My ping's over 100.
And has just been lost.
But my sprint is going to stop and you're going to need to revive me.
Okay.
Do you understand?
I understand.
Okay.
2, 1.
Oh, I got out. I had to slide.
Because I could actually just die while using them.
Oh, did you fucking what? Excuse you?
Oh, nuke.
What just happened to me? I tomahawked the guy and he kept walking and then just punched me, one-shotting me. So I got one shot by a dead person. Uh-oh. Logan, you know what to do. You take him.
I know.
You got the open area. You gotta take him.
Okay.
He's on me.
Okay. He is.
Oh, I tried to take them and the zombies one-shot me. I got the tomahawks though.
Nice. I used my.
Hey fuckers.
Alright, I'm out of. Oh, I'm 2 health.
Yo, it gave me a green AK.
Oh. Yo! Making it up in the ranks?
Yeah, because it spawns you with a better and better weapon.
Okay, on like round 30 or some shit.
Shit, I don't know if it's gonna give me... I don't know if it's gonna give me the thing anymore, because I really wanted the Dirk Ops, which was like, go 20 rounds without, upgrading anything. But I don't know if that's gonna give it to me anymore.
Alright, you wanna do another switch up?
If you want, yeah, I know you just want your good side back. Let's go.
Yep. Done with those. Ooh, insta-kill. Huge. Never appreciated an insta-kill so much. Deal as much damage as possible to the megatons. We deal extra damage.
Yeah, double.
Buy some tomahawks or something and throw it. That would be. Or I'll just run to that.
I bought some tomahawks.
Same. Oh my god, so much.
Got it.
Damage, one down. Ooh. Okay, one to go.
Got
But
him.
he's okay.
No, my tomahawks! You took all of mine!
I threw 5.
I threw
And I
4!
threw 1. Look, right here.
That's 1.
Okay.
I
me
threw
too.
4, all of them hit. You take all of mine.
I took all of.
I hit every single one. Oh.
We have-
Look, why are you on my side? Why are you on my side? What the fuck, Logan? God damn it. You come and jack my tomahawks, and
I
then
fully
fucking
didn't.
leave me
We
for
were
dead.
both throwing them the entire time.
Well, motherfucker, how did I end up with 1?
It's a good question. I don't know.
What? I don't...
Ooh, what
I can't do this at fucking 100 ping! What the fuck?
Oh nope.
I can't do this challenge at 100 ping. I actually can't. It's connecting me to you, and it's making me lag so fucking bad that I physically can't do anything.
I did revive you. God damn it.
Well,
Oh, and a Megaton. Oh no.
Flash eater fragged.
Two. Great. Okay, William.
yeah?
I'm not. I need to pause for a second. Can you get to the safe space because I'm. Oh, okay. Well, I'm just gonna pause now.
Спасибо.
That crawler has full health. Uh-oh, I'm glitched! I'm glitched! Fucking perfect! Ooh. You're spoiling me.
I'm trying to get you back in the game.
I know, that's why I said you're spoiling me.
They're gonna go quick. Ah. Oh. I lost my war machine. Thank God for that. Wait, I didn't? What?
I told you.
Confusion. What?
The
I
fucking...
got a self-res from the self-res.
War machine going live.
What RNG bullshit Jesus did you pray to? Cause fucking send to the link.
Thank the RNG gods.
Good enough! Yes, I got it! I got the duck ups.
Now rest in peace.
Oh, what the fucking shit was I hit by? Literally hit by nothing.
Alright. Megaton.
Bring it on,
Oh, you
bitch.
bitch. Oh. Round 2. Oh, this is a different one. I don't care.
The thing I don't like about... How was I gone for like so long and still had equal elims? What the fuck?
I don't know.
Apparently I put in work when I wasn't dead.
Yeah.